A sketch of the curve y equals sine x plus a plus b. Given the inequality between 0 and 360, find the value of a and the value for b. So this tells us that they're sketching the graph between 0 and 360 degrees. And this is transformation of a sine graph. Now sine x, when you draw a sine x curve, you would have this wave. Okay, so that's your sine graph. Now the question is, how have we translate from the red sine graph to the sine x plus a plus b? So sine x plus a this is what is happening to this graph. So if we look at this 2 point here, which is the same point on the graph, so that's the minimum point of the graph. The question is, how have we moved it from here to here? Now, if you've noticed, we've actually moved it to the left by 90 degrees. So it was 270 to start with and is now at 180. Now, if we move something to the left, if we move a graph to the left, we say that's a translation, yes, to the left and that's 90 degrees translation. If it was to the right, it will be minus 90 degrees. But because it's to the left, we'll say it's 90 degrees. So it means that the difference, when we move this graph, we've moved it 90 degrees to the left. So if I move that, see if I could move my graph, I've moved that point 90 degrees to the left. The next translation is we've got a plus b. Now plus b is a translation either up or down. Now if you've noticed, we've actually, if we look at the 2 points on our graph, this point here was -1 and this point here was -2. It means that we've actually moved it down by 1. So translate down by 1. And we say the translation is -1. So that's -1. And then if we double check, obviously in the exams you would probably have a tracing paper and you can check. I've moved it to the left by 90 degrees. I've moved it down by 1. So that's the translation. So it means that A is 90 and B is -1.